Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the hair color on your selfie on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then select the selfie or the picture that you would like to edit. Then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the hair colors category. Click on it. And here you can see the available filters that you can apply. As you can see, most of them are only available to the premium users of the application, but two of the filters, the blonde and black hair colors, are available to all of the users. Click on the relevant one that you want to try out, and here you can select the level and adjust the hair color by using the slide in the middle of the screen. So feel free to play around with this slide and the filters. So here you can see how the color changes, and once you are done with applying your filter, you can check out how it looks like, and you can see the contrast between the original and the produced picture by clicking on the contrast button on the right side of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.